Oppo A76 was silently launched in Malaysia. The new smartphone is the successor to Oppo A74 that launched in April last year. Oppo A76 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SoC paired with 6GB of RAM and 5GB of extended RAM. The handset sports a 6.56-inch HD Plus LCD display with up to a 90Hz refresh rate. Oppo A76 sports a dual rear camera setup and packs a 5000 mAh battery with 33W super fast charging support. The newly launched smartphone also features Oppo Glow design that has a shimmering effect on the back panel.